Question number 30. Planet X and Y emit both radiations as black bodies. The moment you say emit radiations black body, it is Stefan-Boltzmann law. Planet Y has twice the surface temperature. Tx is equal to 2 times Ty and 1/3 the radius of the planet X. Planet Y, I am sorry, I made a mistake here. Ty is equal to 2 times Tx and 1/3 of the radius of planet. Ry is equal to Rx divided by 3. What is the power radiated by planet X? Px divided by Py is equal to what? That's what is being asked. So this should be equal to sigma Ax Tx to the power of 4 divided by sigma Ay Ty to the power of 4. And what do we know? This sigma and this sigma goes away. This should be 4 pi Rx square Tx to the power of 4 divided by 4 pi Ry square Ty to the power of 4. Why 4 pi? Because surface area, right? Now what is Rx? Now what is that you have got? You have got this as Ry here, right? So let me choose Rx to be constant. I'll just keep it like this, X values, and Ry is Rx by 3, which means I'll substitute this. I'll get Rx by 3 the whole square, which should be Rx square divided by 9 multiplied by Ty. Ty, what is Ty? Ty is 2 times Tx, which should be 16 Tx to the power of 4. So Tx to the power of 4, Tx to the power of 4, Rx square, both of them goes away. So what is the time left out? So this 9 goes upwards. This should be 9 by 16. So answer should be 9 by 16, which is option A. Okay.